Hey, in this video, we'll talk about WLD coin or Worldcoin and everything around it. Right now, it is at 88 cents and I just placed a short on it. The last one, we basically perfectly got it at this level right here where we have 51 million buyers, 32 million sellers. We bought here exactly to the tick. We went to the point of control exactly, and at the point of control, this red line, we dumped, and it was a beautiful trade. Let me just mark it out for you. So look at this is just perfect. It could not have been better. And this is on the daily chart, so these are trades that you can get in at any time if you watch this video. Obviously, no financial advice. So place the short. I'm looking for liquidity sweep of the people that longed here, have their stop losses here or at break even. I want them to get swept. So place the short, waiting for this liquidity sweep, and I might be buying again at this level. I'll see how price reacts and everything around that. That's basically the strategy here. Let me know your thoughts and how you want to play WLD coin in the comment section down below. Main criteria for these trades besides the volume is VWAP. VWAP is curving down, as you can see. This thing right here is curving down, so I'm interested in taking some nice profits. See you next